Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the breakaway gap. Okay, the breakaway gap, how today I have traded and how the reaction will be. Okay, in the last video, I have explained by taking couple of examples. This is the real-time example I'm going to discuss here. This is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, if we see what is the breakaway gap, there should be a consolidation in the, this is the consolidation it had in the higher time frame. Consolidation, after the consolidation, if the stocks open up, right, open with the gap, this is supposed to come half retracement or full retracement. Okay, we can trade off till half retracement, as well as the by trailing the stop loss we can trade full retracement. Okay, if it comes to the full retracement, there is a probability of going down because that momentum will not be sustained and it will be subsided. Now let me go to the lower time frame. Okay, as I mentioned, right, here is the open price stock. Okay, then it came off retracement. Okay, now it started going up. Okay, started going up. So I initiated the trade in this area. Now I have exited my trade. Okay, I will show you. See, my trade I initiated 225 at 918. Okay, this is the first candle, 918 I initiated. Okay, I exited at 197 because this is the off retracement. Here we can see some pullback before moving it to the next level. This is what I wanted to give you, how the this is the open market structure. In the open market structure, there are couple of types of the gaps. Those gaps are runaway gaps, breakaway gaps, exhaustion gaps, all these kind of things. Okay, exhaustion gaps, we can conclude once this entire gap fills and goes down, then we can treat it as a, this is the exhaustion gap. Okay, we can conclude the trend is finished for some time and we will see big correction there. Still this is, since it retraced for 50% in the whole move in the sense today open price, that is where I exited my trade. Okay, thank you friends, thank you so much.